So I'm going to show you how to trap the yarn. We've got several stitches of this particular row is all color stranding, and it's several stitches in one color, and the stranded color is being spanned across it. And I just want to anchor it down as I've done here. I'm not working this strand, but I'm anchoring it or trapping it in the back of the work to prevent a huge loop. So to do this, I'm going to work up to the middle of this next figure's span of color, so right about here. And the idea is to just get this yarn in the way before I work this stitch. So in this case, since I'm working I'm working in English style with the main yarn in my right hand, to get the other strand in the way, I'll come over it the opposite way as I would to knit it. If I were doing continental knitting, it's the other way around. And then I'm going to wrap the yarn as if to work and then remove this strand. And that allows me to just work it. And then if you see, after I've done the next stitch, you can see that this color has been trapped. And that's all there is to it.